In today's video, we'll talk about how to earn PayPal money easily, and believe me, it's super easy. All you need to do is first subscribe, pickpocket it, and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified all money related videos in future. And do like this video and watch it till the end so that you are not missing on anything in this video. So let's get started. This is a website called Branded Service. The URL is service.gobranded.com, and all you need to do is you just need to sign up to Branded Service and you are ready to make money and transfer it to your PayPal account. So it says get paid for your opinion with Branded Service. Let's have an in-depth look on Branded Service. So earn cash by completing online surveys. Branded Service is one of the world's leading market research communities, rewarding you for your opinion. Answer a few simple questions about yourself so that they can match your profile to a variety of their surveys, and that's really important. So first of all, they'll have a look at your profile. When you sign up on Branded Service, they'll get your details. Accordingly, they will be able to match their service with your profile and they'll give you service. So collect points for every survey you complete. Redeem your points in the form of gift cards or cash via PayPal. This is what we were looking for and we were talking about. Branded Pay. But this Branded Pay is available only in US, so you can anytime look out for PayPal. So no need to worry about that. So join us for daily challenges, polls, product and services offering. So find out how it works. So let's have a look at it. So it says get paid to take service online. So as we discussed earlier, taking online surveys with Branded Service is a fun and easy way to earn cash or gift cards from the comfort of your home. Who doesn't want to get paid for giving their opinion, right? So before you start taking online surveys, take a moment to learn how Branded Service work. Big companies need help sourcing people for market research, so they gather that research through surveys that they match their members up with, and after their members take a survey, the company collects the response for further analysis. The first step to taking online service with Branded Service is to create your profile. During the sign up process, they will ask you a few questions about your life. The more details you provide on your profile, the more surveys they can potentially match you with. There are several different profile surveys you can fill out that cover a wide variety of subjects, including employment, travel, leisure and much more. So definitely it's interesting that you will get the service related to what you love on a daily basis. It's not about they are bombarding you with anything that you don't even like. So it's not about that. Yeah. So once you finish filling out your profile, you will see a variety of survey matches on your dashboard. So each survey will show you how long it takes to complete and how many points it's worth. So before taking any service, you will get the details of that particular service, and accordingly you can decide whether you will need to take this survey and how much it worth. So accordingly you can select that survey so that you are not wasting your time on very cheap survey. It should be at par, and accordingly you can proceed ahead with that. So click to begin survey. Take your time and answer each question honestly. Honesty is what they are looking for over here. So once you complete a survey, the client will evaluate your answers. Generally answers are approved as long as you didn't rush through the survey and answered each question honestly. So the points will appear in your account. So to gain access to Branded Service community, you'll need to sign up. The survey starts once you have signed up. You will get the service upon submission of your survey. Your answers are sent directly to their market research clients. The client is someone who approve your surveys. So once you earn 1000 points, so you'll need to accumulate 1000 points in order to get it to your PayPal or any other payment options that you are preferring to, but we are talking about PayPal now. So you'll need to accumulate 1000 pounds and accordingly you will be paid for that. You can see the earning flow over here. So branded service uses a point system for your reward payouts. Upon successful completion of a survey, you earn points. Then take your points and redeem. They'll deposit your earnings directly into your PayPal or branded pay account. If you prefer, you can convert your points into gift cards as we discussed earlier, but PayPal is the best option. There are different types of surveys used in research. So first one is brand awareness market research, consumer insights market research, product-based market research. These are the related surveys you may get while filling up the surveys. You can see over here how quickly will I get paid. So getting paid by taking online service is easy, as I mentioned earlier. So as soon as you have earned at least 1000 points, so you are ready to redeem your points for cash. So make sure all of your points are approved before you try to cash them out by clicking the My Points tab on your dashboard. So how to earn points with branded service? You must earn at least 1000 points. This is what we have mentioned about earlier. So to accomplish this, members can earn points by completing service, referring friends as well. So it's not only about you are taking service, but there's referral points as well. You can have a look at it. So completing service or product offers, participating in daily polls or completing challenges, and advancing through the loyalty program. This is where you'll get other options to make money with branded service. Over here you can see PayPal option, collect rewards from PayPal. So all you need to do is just click on this sign up button or this sign up button and you will get the sign up page. Once you have signed up to branded service, you are good to go to make money using branded service. Thank you so much for your time and see you in next video.